Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Starfruit Jam in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Starfruit Jam looks like. I've just made it with my stove. If you want to make the Starfruit Jam, first you're going to unlock the jam, the Starfruit Seed from Blang. You're going to go to Blang. He's at the Whale Canyon right here, and you're going to purchase the starfruit seed, and then don't forget to plant the starfruit seeds in your garden, then harvest it and go to your stove, and you're going to use the mixed jam recipe, and you're going to replace the fruits with starfruits like this, and then you can start cooking. But after you unlock the recipe, you can immediately use the starfruit jam recipe, this one. And okay guys, that's how we can make the Starfruit Jam in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!